What if I told you that Google has just released a new AI that is so powerful it can code, write, and even see, and they're giving it away for free? We just have to make a few choices. For our character, let's go with a magical cat. For the setting, an enchanted forest feels right. Every good story needs a twist, so let's have our cat uncover a secret door. We'll make the theme adventurous and keep the story short. With all our choices locked in,
In the emerald heart of the Whispering Woods lived a feline unlike any other. Named Midnight, she was a creature of pure magic, her fur shimmering with untold secrets. Midnight, with her emerald eyes and a twitching nose, was the guardian of the forest's hidden pathways. One day, a mischievous sprite, drawn to Midnight's enchanting presence, stumbled upon a crumbling stone door, overgrown with ivy. Curiosity piqued, Midnight, with a flick of her tail, pushed it open. Inside, a narrow, winding staircase spiraled into darkness. Hesitantly, she descended, the air growing cooler and the shadows deepening. The staircase opened into a hidden chamber, filled with ancient carvings and strange, luminous plants. There, nestled amongst the glowing flora, was a door, shimmering with an ethereal light. It pulsed with a faint, humming energy, beckoning her to step inside.
and just like that, we have a unique story. But the real power is in the instant creativity. What if we want something different? We don't have to start over. We can just change a few of the ingredients. Instead of adventurous, let's switch the theme to fairy tale. Ready to build? Getting started with Gemma 3 is designed to be simple and accessible. You can download the models directly from places you already use, like Hugging Face and Kaggle. This isn't just another model, this is a complete family of lightweight powerhouses with multimodal understanding and unparalleled multilingual capabilities. But here's the game changer. Gemma 3 is the most capable model that can run on a single GPU or TPU. It's efficient on workstations, laptops, and even smartphones, allowing developers to build responsible AI applications at scale, right on the devices people use every day. So, what's new in Gemma 3? It's a full family of open models, scaled for your exact needs. From a lightweight text model for small applications to a balanced model with multimodal support, all the way to models with strong language capabilities for complex tasks and enhanced understanding for the most sophisticated applications. But it's more than just size, it's about core capability. Multilingual, multimodal, and long context, supporting over 140 languages across the globe. The proof is in the performance. On the industry standard MMLU benchmark, Gemma 3 doesn't just improve on Gemma 2, it creates a whole new standard of excellence across every single model size. And with Gemma quantization aware training, this state of the art power can run locally on the hardware you already own, like an NVIDIA RTX 3090. But benchmarks are just numbers. Let's see it in action inside Google AI Studio. The task: create a comprehensive 5-day study plan to learn conversational Italian for a tourist. Watch as Gemma instantly structures a practical day by day guide, complete with vocabulary, grammar rules, and even personalized practice exercises. This isn't just text, it's a personalized tutor generated in seconds. How about something more technical? Let's ask Gemma to build a modern, visually appealing landing page for a fictional coffee shop, complete with HTML and CSS. It begins generating the code from the header to the navigation, the page sections, the menu items, the location map, all the way down to the footer. And it doesn't just write the code, it builds the website from a single prompt to a fully rendered functional web page. The header, the About Us section, a clean menu with pricing, an embedded map to find the location, and a working contact form, all brought to life in an instant. Imagine building your own portfolio, a client site, or a new web app. Going from idea to interactive reality this fast? But can it handle multiple, complex creative tasks at once? Let's give it 3 challenges. First, become an AI dungeon master, writing an interactive video scene complete with camera directions and player choices. Next, act as the ultimate trip planner, creating a packed hour by hour itinerary for 48 hours in Tokyo. And finally, become the complex topic explainer, breaking down how blockchain works using a simple analogy. Creative scripting, practical, detailed planning, and accessible educational content, all generated flawlessly from a single complex prompt. Now for something truly next level, the challenge: an AI poetry slam. The topic: a robot's first encounter with music. The twist: write it in 2 completely different styles. First, the dark, melancholic prose of Edgar Allan Poe.
And second, the whimsical, bouncy rhyme of Dr. Seuss.
The result is impressive, but we're not done. Watch this. With a single click, Gemma builds an interactive web application to host and analyze the poetry slam. It lets you compare each stanza side by side, and then it provides a complete stylistic analysis. It visualizes the sentiment score of each poem and breaks down the linguistic fingerprint: the tone, the rhyme scheme, the vocabulary, and the meter. It didn't just write the content, it created the entire platform to experience it. Creativity is one thing, but what about pure logic? We gave Gemma a classic puzzle that stumps humans: the water jug problem. It doesn't guess. It reasons, providing the precise, step-by-step logical solution to measure out exactly 4 gallons. This is structured, sequential thinking at its finest. And Gemma doesn't just work with text, it sees. Give it a photo of random ingredients in your fridge, and it becomes your personal chef, instantly creating a simple, delicious recipe from what you have on hand. It can also read your handwriting. Watch as it takes this simple, hand-drawn flowchart and converts it into a clean numbered list of steps. It transforms unstructured, real-world data into actionable information. Now, let's put it to work. We'll feed it raw sales data as simple text and ask it to be a data analyst. What was the total revenue? Which products sold more units? It provides clear, accurate answers instantly. But let's push it further. Now, act as a market researcher. Based on that data, synthesize current trends and suggest 3 unique and exciting new popcorn flavors. It analyzes, ideates, and creates, transforming from a data tool into a strategic business partner. Highlighting the Gemmaverse, deployment options, and case studies. This is Gemma 3. More than a set of models, it's a complete ecosystem. Explore the Gemmaverse to see what the community is already building. Start building with the frameworks and platforms you already love. This is powerful, efficient, and accessible. AI ready for you to build the future. What will you create? If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below. Let me know what tool you want to see me use next. Thanks for watching.